3 men are dead and 2 illegal weapons seized following an operation by the security forces in Coral Garden, St. James. The case has again raised concerns about the criminals using short-term rental properties like Airbnbs as cover for illegal activities. Dwayne Anderson has the details.
Intelligence led the security forces to this upscale property in Coral Gardens in St. James. Men reportedly wanted by the police in connection with major crimes were staying at the property that is used as an Airbnb. The police say about 11 p.m. on Thursday, there was a confrontation at the premises that resulted in 3 men being shot and killed. Investigations are ongoing, but so far detectives believe the dead men are 3 gangsters known as Car Don Hype, and David Facey. 2 illegal weapons were also recovered in the operation.
Police got intelligence as to their location, which was in the community of Coral Gardens. Quite a community that is not used to that type of activity. To have persons with that type of character within their community. What I can put it down to is good intelligence work on the part of the police.
Intelligence further suggests the 3 men were members of the Spanglers Gang, a criminal network based all the way in Western Kingston, and they were in St. James to carry out robberies in the second city, Montego Bay. The gang, the police added, is known for extortion, robberies, shootings, and contract killings.
But the police in St. James, they are ensuring that we keep safe in this parish. They have significantly brought down the murders and other major crimes in the entire parish of St. James. They continue to do their operations.
Coral Gardens is a community with thriving Airbnb businesses, but detectives believe criminals are increasingly attempting to use properties like these as a base for their illegal activities.
The police can go anywhere, right? They can go anywhere. Their intelligence dictates that they should pay attention to. And once they have the appropriate procedures in place, warrants if warrants are needed, and in some instances warrants are not needed, the police go. And if you are law-abiding, then guess what? Participate in what it is that the police wishes to do. They want to undertake searches, then allow them to do their work. Don't interfere and let them do their work.
Indicom says no body-worn cameras were reported as being issued or worn by the officers involved in the shooting incident. As at February 27, 47 security forces fatal shootings have been recorded in the country. 19 of those cases were reported in February. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.